What's up, folks? In this video you will see 1972 Buick LeSabre. Buick LeSabre is a full-size passenger car manufactured by Buick, a division of the American company General Motors, in 1959 to 2005. Over the years, LeSabre had the lowest base price from the Buick full-size car range. Until 1959, this position was occupied by the full-size Buick Special, which was replaced in 1959 by the LeSabre model, but in 1961 its production was resumed for the Buick compact car line. The name comes from the concept car LeSabre, developed by Harley Earl in 1951. In 1971, the full-size Buicks underwent a significant redesign, getting a new body that lasted until 1977. There was also a major change in the lineup. The place of the former sport-oriented model Wildcat was taken by the new model Centurion, which was produced only for 3 years, from 1971 to 1973, and became one of the most short-lived models of Buick. Externally, the Centurion was almost a complete copy of LeSabre. Subscribe to the channel, comment on the video and click on the bell. See you around, guys.